What?
Hey, I pray that they should not kill you with homework. We'll go to Google. We'll go and Google this thing. Because everything is inside Google. So Google will tell us the experience of army slap and police slap. I believe with that one, your teacher will be okay.
Uncle, but they say this is no matter of Google. They say you should experience it and
you said, don't worry, you have to go to the barrack. If you need life experience, go there and you will see the experience there. Come inside.
Oh my God, come on here.
Yes. Who are these people?
the army and police.
Okay, no problem. I thank God that you want the experience. Go and meet them.
Come here. Come this. What?
There is God.
Officer!
Jesus Christ, how about me?
Young man, Swassa, step forward.
Uncle, move forward.
Jesus! Jesus is Lord.
Who is calling my name?
And young man,
Yes, okay.
if he's not satisfied with that thing, we can rehearse with you.
What? Talking about you with the hands what with me, the slap you gave my neighbor. What?
Hey.